Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is the internal storage availability out of 128 GB in the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. So this is a Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet which I did do the unboxing just now, and this is the 8 GB and 128 GB model which I'm going to demonstrate in this video. And out of 128 GB, so 26 GB is already occupied. As you can see, 26 GB is occupied out of 128 GB. Only 101 GB is available for the storage. And I'll try to show you the RAM expansion, which by default it will come with the 4 GB. And right now I'm going to turn off completely and just reboot the device, and let's see whether the right now availability of the RAM will change or not. Because by using the 4 GB, we did get about 101 GB is available for the storage. Now after completely disabling the memory extension, now we're gonna see what will be the RAM availability. Storage availability in the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. Now we'll try to check the details. Let's find out. And the tab did restart. Let's go to the settings and go to the display. And is the storage. And right now it shows like 105 GB is available. So by default, out of the box, the tablet card did come with the 22 GB of storage, which is occupied. So 11.97 GB is the system files, and 10 GB system files, 11 again system files. As you can see how much GB is occupied here within the both. And these are the quick details, guys, about the applications, also what came by default install. So these are the applications pre-installed which came, and these are apps which are consuming the amount of size. WPS is there. So not many applications came bloatware in this Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. Not many, just only few applications which came in this tab. But meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. This is the internal storage availability in the Xiaomi Pad 8 tablet. See you in the next video. Until then, signing off and bye.